David from Tomball has a question about a smelly AC.
Well, it happens this year, but it's never happened before, Tom.
Okay.
David writes, the only work we had last year was new coils. Never had that smell before. Added a new media filter a few months ago. An AC man came in and said, what we need is a UV light for a bargain basement price of $1,500. And he said I needed a P-trap for the drain, so I did the P-trap. It didn't help.
No, it's the coil. The light's not going to help. The media filter, which is good to have, is not going to help the smell. And the P-trap, it's very rare that you'll get a smell, and the P-traps are pretty standard. But they don't stop this particular situation. It's been going from hot to cold on your air conditioning system. The coil's not washing itself.
It's exacerbating itself.
Might be right.
Yes.
But it's not washing itself, and so you're getting this smell. Some of the coils do that on high-efficient coils if they're running too warm, and they need to be coated. They actually take them out and put a coating on them.
Really?
So they clean themselves better, and then they put them back in. But it's the coil's problem. So however you want to get with your air conditioning person or Absolute Comfort Air, the coil is the problem. How to solve that, I'm going to let the professionals tell you.
Okay. So give Absolute Comfort Air a call is the bottom.
Yeah, and $1,500. You can probably get a coil for less than $1,500, depending how big it is. So maybe not, but close to it.
And you know what you can get also for even less than $1,500? Free advice, free help on projects, trying to save money around the house or fix it up. Go ahead and send us a question. We'll be happy to help you out. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button. We'll take a look at your question, use it in one of these videos, or maybe even post it on Facebook.
Ding!